Here we have open Basic Construct GGB, which is our GeoGebra file for compass and straight edge constructions. In this math cast, we're going to bisect a line segment. That is, given a line segment AB, we're to find the midpoint M of the line segment. So we need a line segment. Go to our line segment tool, click AB. Our goal is to find the midpoint M of this line segment. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is draw a point on AB that is more than halfway along AB. Maybe 2/3, but the important thing that's more than halfway. So we'll get the new point tool and draw a point on the line. We don't need the name of that, so we're going to right click and take the label off. We want to see the point though. This is going to be the radius of the two circles that we draw, one with a center at A and one with a center at B. So we get our compass tool, we measure our radius by clicking on the start point, the end point, and bringing the circle to center at A. And then again, we want the same radius, so we still click on A and that point, but now we bring the center to B. And if we see that we can't see the 2 points, we simply bring this point back a little bit. These are the 2 points through which we're going to draw the line to get the midpoint. So we need to make a point here with the intersection tool and a point here with the intersection tool. And now we can draw the line through those 2 points. And then the intersection of this line, which is in fact perpendicular to AB, is the midpoint. So get our intersection tool once again. And this point, we're going to right click and immediately rename it to M. That is the midpoint. Now let's decorate our construction. The two circles are the same size, the same radius, so we're going to make them the same color. So let's right click on anything, properties. Let's make the circles red. I already have it over here, red. We'll make the line, that's the perpendicular, purple for perpendicular. And we will make M, which is the midpoint perpendicular, and we'll make it a little bit bigger so we can see it. And let's make the line segment itself green. We forgot to make the circles dotted, so let's go back to the circles and make them dotted and a little bit thinner. Dotted and a little bit thinner so we can see everything. There we go. Now let's test our construction. M should always be the midpoint no matter how I move A and B. Take the move tool, and if we move A closer to B, we see that M still stays the midpoint. If we rotate it, we get B. M is always the midpoint of AB.